What's going on, everyone? These are the aluminum radiators from Mylers. Now, if your cooling system is in need of some love, these things are exactly what you're going to want to check out because they're going to add more strength and more cooling ability to your motorcycle's cooling system. These things are awesome. Now, when it comes to thinking about your bike, there's a pretty good chance when you're thinking about your radiators, they're probably one-off custom fit pieces from crash damage, because these things are easy to bend and break in crashes. Or maybe you're thinking back on previous rides and maybe your bike has started to overheat a little bit more than it used to, or your cooling system just isn't quite up to the task and you need better cooling. Now, Mylers has been in the radiator game for a long time. 36 years these guys have been repairing radiators, so they know how to keep bikes cool. When it comes to these radiators that they're offering here, again, you're getting great benefits in the way your cooling system can do its job and how strong they are. So the first thing that we've got to talk about is strength, and that's going to come down to how these are built. Now, one of the big things that I'll point out is Mylers is actually really proud about this fact as well, but when they make their cores and their side plates are all made together and fused together. Now, this is different than some of those cheaper radiators out on the market in that cheaper radiators are going to have their core and side plates separate. Now, this affects the radiator in two different ways, but one big way in strength is how you can repair this after crash damage has happened. Where these are fused together, when it comes time to bringing these back out, say you've pushed in a side plate, if you're trying to push this side plate back out, because these are fused together, as you're pushing on this side plate, it's going to be pulling on these fins, which is then going to realign your core pieces as well. Again, if you push that in and you've bent or maimed some of these core lines in here that have the coolant go through them, if they're separate, you're pushing that thing out, it's not going to be pulling those pieces back together. These are going to do that, which is going to help you get more life out of these and help you repair them crash after crash. The next thing they do is they TIG weld on these top and bottom pieces, and that's done by hand, so it's done precisely. As you look over these things, those hand welds also make these radiators look way cool. Now, when it comes to cooling, this is where these things are really going to shine, and the big reason for that is you've got a bigger core than your stock radiators. These things are thicker and in some cases are taller than the stock radiators, and that's going to give you more surface area for that air to touch those core pieces to help bring those temperatures down. Now, another way that they help cool your bike better is we'll go back to these side plates. Where these are fused onto your core, this actually helps the heat escape out to these side pieces as well, bringing those temperatures down. Now, I will tell you, before these leave Mylers, these are all pressure checked and inspected to make sure that the radiators that you get are going to be in great working order, ready to upgrade your cooling system. Now, one thing we will have to talk about is fitment with other accessories. With these being larger than stock, things like radiator braces and guards, as well as fan kits, won't work on these like they will on OEM radiators. That being said, I do have a couple tips for you if you're looking to run some of those pieces. Now, when it comes to the wraparound braces, again, with the bigger core, you're not going to be able to get those to fit, but we have seen a lot of customers that have been able to utilize those front-mounted radiator guards onto these radiators. That is going to be a little bit more case by case though. And then when it comes to fan kits, one big thing that I would check out is our Tusk Universal Fan Kit. Those have zip ties that go through the core, and so they're going to help that fan kit hold on to nearly every style of radiator. The big thing you're going to want to check out there is the space that you've got between your radiator and your gas tank. Our fan kit sticks out about 2 inches, so you're going to want to make sure that you've got that clearance if you want to run one of those fans. Now, with those fitment concerns in mind, I will tell you, where you're getting more strength out of these as well as better cooling, it is going to be well worth the fitment concerns when it comes to other accessories. These things are going to mount well onto your bike, and they're going to look good and do a good job of adding some love into your cooling system. To get yours, go to the link below, and as always, if you're looking for your place to get ready, Rocky Mountain's the place to be. I'm Trent. Thanks so much for watching.